Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start in Settings because that's where iPhone stores battery analytics. Unlock the phone and open Settings, then tap Battery to land on the overview. Once there, make sure battery percentage is visible so you can correlate numbers quickly. Enable the last 24 hours and last 10 days views to capture short and longer trends. This immediately gives you the actionable timeline you'll analyze next. Now examine the usage and activity sections to find what's draining power. Tap each app listed under battery usage and compare screen on versus screen off times to see if background activity is the problem. Use Show Activity to reveal minutes and background tasks. That explains why some apps consume power even when not in front of you. Once done, sort apps by % of battery to prioritize which ones to restrict or finish by applying fixes. Enable low power mode or disable background app refresh for the heavy hitters you identified. Then tap battery health to verify maximum capacity and whether performance management is active. This explains long-term degradation versus short-term app issues. If figures look inaccurate, restart the iPhone, install any iOS updates, and, as a last resort, reset settings. That covers optimization, and if problems persist, battery replacement may be necessary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.